Good afternoon, LinkedIn. So as I promised, quick video to show you what end up with the bathtub that I showed you this morning with the extreme rust and corrosion in the front. Check this out, please. Some light. There you go. So the bathtub inside was pretty much just worn and dirty. That's not what I want to focus on. I want to focus on this area here where we had a very severe rust, and the bathtub was basically disappearing. I mean, the steel was corroded. There was no porcelain. This is how the bathtub looks like at the end of the day today. This bathtub is like brand new condition. It's guaranteed not to peel for a lifetime. It's a lifetime of a bathtub, which is 15 years. But most probably nothing's gonna happen to this surface even after 20 years. That's the life expectancy of this substance. As you can see, it's beautiful, it's shiny, it's glossy. It's just a pleasure to see what we have here comparing to the disaster that we had here a few hours ago. That's it for today. I'm trying not to post too many videos, too many posts that are repetitive. I want to show you just the highlights, things that are more interesting, out of the ordinary, just so you get a feel of what we do. That's all. See you next time. Kfir from Surface Integrity. Ciao.